Electrification is taking over the automotive world. Case in point, this is the new BMW i4 M50, an all-electric sports sedan with the range and performance BMW enthusiasts demand. We have a complete look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, research BMW, and then select i4. We make it easy to find what you want fast. Even though you may not think of BMW first when you think of electric cars, the fact is that BMW has long been at the forefront of the segment, with the popular i3 city car and sport hybrid i8. With the new i4, BMW takes electrification to the next level. This is a car that has the look and feel of a regular, everyday performance BMW, but the power and efficiency of a full electric. The model we're testing today is the i4 M50 with all-wheel drive. It features a dual-motor setup with a maximum output of 536 horsepower and 586 pound-feet of torque. The standard battery is a lithium-ion with 81 kilowatt-hours of capacity. Drive it nice and you can get more than 227 miles of range on a single charge. The i4 supports DC fast charge at a peak 200 kilowatts. That means you can recharge the battery from 10 to 80% in just over 30 minutes. You can also charge at any level 2 public station using a standard CCS connection. Price of the i4 M50 as you see here, $70,070 US including destination. Inside, you'll find all the trimmings you would expect from a high-performance BMW. The seats are covered in fine leather with excellent support, power adjustments, and 3 stages of heat. Instead of an analog gauge cluster, you get a digital display that is integrated with the main infotainment unit in one single curved panel. This provides all the information you'll ever need. Plus, it allows for advanced voice search, XM radio, and user personalization with the touch of your finger. You also get an excellent surround view camera system for navigating tight parking spots. Like other BMWs, you do get a selection of drive modes. These control not just how the steering and suspension feel, but also the output of the 2 electric motors. Switch to Sport for the firmest ride, rear bias all-wheel drive performance, modified sound effects, and available launch control. The sound effects can be disabled, but they add so much to the experience, it would be a shame to turn them off. Even though it's properly fast, with a 0 to 60 clocking in at just over 3 seconds, it's also a very practical commuter car. With the optional advanced cruise control system, you can set your speed and let the i4 negotiate traffic jams for you. Sure, you still have to keep your hands on the wheel, but the automated stop, start, and lane centering make for a much more enjoyable experience overall. The all-wheel drive system on the i4 uses separate electric motors for the front and rear wheels. This allows for instant torque front to back, depending on conditions and performance requirements. If you've been waiting for an electric car that has incredible range, amazing performance, and handles like a BMW, your wait is finally over. This is one of the best performance sedans you can buy today. It just happens to be electric. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to see all the options from BMW. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local BMW-affiliated AutoNation dealer today.